WWE.
From the bottom of my heart, I want to wish you all good luck.
Determined who faces the Miz for the Intercontinental Championship at Battleground is the tension awareness to this title. And look at this. Go, you were looking over the shoulder of Bob Backlund. You know, and R-Truth Royal. Here's one example. Simon Gotch, see ya. He's no longer here. Oh man, and Goldust Cruz. He looks like a champ. That's Darren Young working on single eliminated from the Battle Royal. New era of WWE. I mean, I don't think those moves were in Bob Backlund. This Battle Royal. And Del Rio knows second rope. And full figure, Del Rio's been knocked down, but Del Rio's not eliminated from this match. Whipped into the corner. Eliminate the guy who won the last year's Andre the Giant.
Your winner and #1 contender, Darren.
In 2 weeks in Battleground. Coach Bagley.
Tell them I said hi. That's nice of you. Thank you. Well, I guess we'll get back to business. I mean, why do you think Dad's coming here anyway?
Seriously? He's here to talk to me. First ever, tonight, the Rollins Report.
This one's all on you.
It's all right. I like it that way.
Hey, Rusev. Here I am, face to face, challenging you for that U.S. title. So what do you say? Shut up! And it's next.
The COOs of both Raw and SmackDown. And John, you gotta believe this man.
24 pounds.
National team, 16-man elimination tag team match. He can't. Ryder in the 4th to 7th round of the attack by Sheamus. There's a Ryder hooked to the inside leg, and this wears here the United States champion. And that stopped Zach in his tracks as the good challenge. I accept the challenge. He's thinking twice.
Give him 414.
A lot of scope. More money, a lot of negotiation going on behind the scenes. New deals, new contracts.
Your guy's coming here in the top 10. Certainly you're going to ask for more money.
Tyler Breeze. And Tyler Breeze stacking up Kalisto. That's what happens.
Are you ready for this? Because this is about to blow your minds. Now, please, are you ready for this?
Thank you for sitting down with me and agreeing to do this interview. I mean, I really thought you would be embarrassed or show some measure of regret, but you actually seem to be proud of what you did.
Yeah, I did it. It is what it is.
Wow. So brazen. How do you feel about your brother, Dean Ambrose, as WWE champion?
To be honest, when I hear that statement, the majority of me wants to just puke. Like,
finally, something we can agree on. Roman, thank you for your...
Now, Dean Ambrose does... I was better than you before the Shield. I was better than you during the Shield. And at Battleground, I will be better than you once again. You know, that you stole from me at Money in the Bank. You got that? Because I am the WWE champion. I'm the top man in this industry. I'm on top of the world. I'm the backbone of this industry. I'm the king of this company. It's been that way for a long time now. And now the whole world knows it. Ode. You disgust me. You embarrass me. You want a one-on-one match for the championship? I say anytime, any place. It's as good a place as any. You next week.
His way out here. I want to take you back to this past Thursday night.
Go out there as soon as Sami Zayn's gone. You've got to go out there, Kevin. Yeah, I'd love to go out there. I'd love to.
Okay, gentlemen, Kev, I've got this. You guys go out there, remove Sami Zayn from commentary, and let's get this match in the ring. Okay?
Move about 70 man. You don't want to create an unsafe. The chairman!
132 pounds.
For a breather here. No go. Oh! Ball. Incredibly tough. Oh! Half pounds. This is all on shoulders. This is To put away. And that's exactly what I am. At the commentary table, in the ring. You know who's not? Sami Zayn takes one in the audience with a barricade. And audience there can come out. And Zayn's had enough. And Zayn has cut his personal memory. Up and down, chin up. I'm going to ignore. Oh, it's both on the other table. Sami Zayn is losing it. Sami Zayn. I don't think you can blame him. No, not at all. Stop it. Is it Blueberry Muffin Day? According to Social Log?
From Tampa, Florida.
Oh, that was being nice. That's a big fade. Yeah, with two hands, and Titus is hanging on with one hand. And he lies on the Titus.
Yeah.
Hey, sure. Preemptive strike. Big Cass with a shoulder tackle. He takes out Gallows as well. And this young man has been on quite the hockey way. Empire elbow. Flash in the corner, fouls it up with a big. You had to be worried about the third man on the outside. Styles. And now, Cass thrown right into the WWE fan. Figure out what's going to happen here. Somebody's about to toss Enzo out. Yeah, it's a... There goes Luke Gallows. And what was Styles saying earlier about...
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. Suck.
The chairman is here.
You guys have been doing a pretty fair job. I'm personally a little disappointed. I'm disappointed in both of you. It's as if neither one of you came from my loins. It's out here on Monday Night Raw, and she gets along with her brother, and sure, you're aggressive, but you're sort of passive-aggressive, and who the hell is that? Who are you?
Who the hell am I?
Yeah, who the hell are you?
I'm your daughter.
Yeah, you're damn right you are, but I'm not so sure you couldn't be more...
Let me ask these people, am I sweet?
Oh, you've been acting sweet.
I'm not
and
sweet,
you,
damn it.
Shano, I was like, you're here on Raw. You lost your match at WrestleMania. You shouldn't even be here. The only reason you are is because the respect of all these people for that death-defying leap off of Hell in a Cell at WrestleMania. That's what I want. I want competition. He didn't do anything that his dad wouldn't have done.
I was watching Mick Foley's podcast with Shane, and you know why Shane said he left and abandoned everybody for 7 years? Because you didn't pat him on the back enough. Wah, wah. Then Shane said he knows more about WWE than you do. He is stabbing you in the back every chance he gets. The only villain in this ring is the wolf in sheep's clothing standing right here.
First off,
and the only reason these people chant Shane O'Mac or chant boring at me is because he comes out here kissing their butts, bowing, screaming, scraping, kissing. That's what he does.
So, one of you has to be named commissioner of SmackDown Live. The new commissioner of SmackDown Live, Shane McMahon. Monday Night Raw's Commissioner Stephanie McMahon. One of you. Which one of you is going to prove to me and you should inherit the keys to the kingdom. And before you answer that in your own mind and show the world, I want to say this. You both need someone to run your day-to-day business. You both need a general manager, because you can't compete on this level without one. So next week you're on Raw. You're going to name a general manager. You're going to name a general manager to run SmackDown and Raw, respectively. And if you don't, I'll name one for you.
It's going to be me at the end of it that you're looking up to, just as you always have. So game on.
There's only one game in this business, and I'm married to him.
Oh, what? Competitive. Commissioner Shane and Stephanie will pick their general managers.